Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit real players in FC26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just open settings here, and once the settings open you need to go to the option create player. Now by using your right stick just select the option edit real players. Now here you can choose female or male. I'll just proceed with male player. Now just right here on this window we need to choose the country or region of our player whom we wanna edit. So I'll select Saudi Arabia, and you can select the league as well. The team I'll choose here is Al Nasser. Here it is, and just right here I wanna edit Cristiano Ronaldo. So here it is. So just select the player. So here many things are grayed out. It means that you cannot edit those things, but you can edit here kit number if you like. Okay, I'll just leave it on 7. Then if you go to athletic, here you cannot edit height and all, but if you go and select this one position, here you can able to change the position of your player, as well as you can change the role, preferred food, which you can set this on left right according to your choice, as well as if we select this one attributes, here you will able to increase or decrease the crossing, finishing, accuracy and all. Now if we move to the next option kit, here you will able to change the shirt, like you can untuck or tuck depending on your choice as well. Then if we go to boots and accessories, you're able to change the boots. So choose the boots which you like for your player, like this. Okay, now if we go to the next option here, kid socks, here we'll able to change the kid socks. So you can just select like this or like this, as well as here you're gonna see the option for ankle tape. The next option we have is gloves and wrist. Here you can select the gloves for your player. So this is for goalkeeper, but I think what if we go and select this one left wrist, here we'll able to change the wrist of left hand like this. Okay, and similarly this is for right hand. You can set this on none, as well as you can choose pink one. It is up to you, whichever you like you can choose that accordingly. But yeah, these are some changes which you can made on real players in FC26. To save these changes, just hit B on Xbox and circle on PlayStation, and just right here we're gonna select the option yes, and by doing that your player has been successfully updated. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.